Why won't this take my dollar? What the heck? Oh. Just want some chips. Bro. Is it a fake dollar? Okay, how about this one, machine? Kidding me? What the heck? Okay. Okay. Alright. Guess. See if I have change. And I don't really have change. What the heck? Just want some chips. Just want some jalapeno potato chips. What to do? See if this will take it here. Okay, that one took it. Now give me my change back. See if it gives me change. Cash only. Oh man. Give me my dollar back. Oh man. Okay, can I get my dollar back here? Oh man, I'm getting screwed twice. Huh. What the heck? Okay, I'm getting screwed out of the dollar here. Yeah. What the heck? This won't give me my change. This one won't give me my change. You won't take any more of my money. Why won't you take my dollar? This is ridiculous. Oh, man. Why won't you take this? This is ridiculous. Press end to cancel purchase. Okay, where's the end button? Isn't that the end button? Okay, there's a little yellow button right there. Let's see. I know it's cash only. Press end. Where's the end button? I know I have a dollar credit. I don't want my dollar credit. I want my money back. Press end. There's no end button. Oh, that's for credit card purchases. Okay, well, what the heck? So I got a dollar credit here. And I got a dollar credit here. Can I at least get a soda? $3. Everything is $3. $3. $3. And what the heck? I want my money back. Oh, here's end right here. Alright. This thing just straight stole $2 of my dollars. And I don't have change. I don't... Well, this didn't turn out well. I got 20 cents. Oh, now I took it. Alright, so 16. Imagine it didn't drop my chips. Well, at least I got that. But over here, I got a whole dollar that went south. I got hijacked by a machine, by a Coke machine. Where's the number on this thing? Is there a phone number on this thing? Of course there's no phone number. They don't want you to call them. They just want to take your money. Alright. Well, huh. That sucks.